Welcome back to Aiden's Inventions. Today we have this cool toy.
What is it, Aiden?
It's Lego Duplo.
From
Mama.
From Cars 3.
I wanted Hatchables, but I changed in my mind, so I wanted this. There was only one little one, but there was the one, but I didn't want it anymore.
Okay.
So look, there's Cruz and Mamilis and McQueen and Mac in Mac's back. And now let's open it.
Okay, so it's ages 2 to 5 with 28 pieces. It's a gas station. Oh, it's Flo's Cafe.
Oh,
Right.
This is where you get a paint job. Okay, let's. Whoa! Hey, that's it. That's it.
That's it?
Oh, that's not it. We still need this and this. Hey, yeah, hey, what's this? Oh, okay. First, let's build a McQueen because that's my favorite character. Hey, can you open it? Oh, he uses wheels.
Oh, yeah.
And Cruz Ramirez and Max. I said Max, but I meant Mac. Look, see his body. So let's open this. Hey, can you open this for me?
Sure.
I'm gonna hold the cones. I'm gonna hold the wheel. There was McQueen. I have McQueen wheels at my school.
You do?
Yeah, but it's cost 1, not cost 3. Hey, where's the opening? Yeah. We opened it.
So how do you put it together? Oh, that's it?
Yeah. That's all you have to do.
Oh.
Look, see? Look at the worksins. See? You just have to do that.
Oh.
Silly. Okay. Okay, next let's do Cruz Ramirez. Can you open this for me too?
Sure.
And it has a 95. Want to see the 95?
Where?
It's right there. You see that? The little tiny 95. See, it was a
okay.
race car, and then they turned into a trailer.
Let's see how Lightning McQueen looks.
Isn't he cool?
Yeah, look at him.
Cruz Ramirez. Cruz Ramirez.
Ka-chow.
Yeah. Next, Cruz Ramirez. She has a little 95.
Yeah,
She's
she
a trailer now.
does. From
She was a race car.
Texas.
First she was a race car, and then she was a trailer, and then she was a race car already.
All right.
Again.
So what else
Because
you
she was
got?
fast.
What else you got?
McQueen and Cruz. They don't have Nato, but I had it at cost 2. McQueen cost 2, and in the middle cost 2.
So let's open the rest of the stuff.
Okay. So we continue. Okay. Ow, that hole in my finger. Hey, wait.
That's Max?
Yeah, that's mine. Okay, I'm gonna see in the back so I can remember. Hey. What? It's backwards. Okay. Mac! Hey, he looks soft. He looks sore
'Cause he needs
without
his
his
hat.
hat. Hey, where's his cap? Where's his cap? He doesn't have a
I
cap.
think I see it. It's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where? Oh, there. There it is.
What does it look like?
It looks like a, just like Smack's hat.
Look.
Look.
Yeah, look at this.
Okay. Let's put it on Mac's hat. His hat. Mac's hat. Mac.
He looks tired.
Yeah,
He's been driving too long.
He's like, he's doing like this. Okay. Hey, where do you put this? Okay. How do you make this connect?
Oh, there's the directions. There's instructions. Let me see.
Wait.
Other
Oh, yeah. Wait, it's not connecting. It's not connecting.
There it
Oh, you're
Okay,
supposed to
I
do
think,
that.
yeah.
Okay, now let's do this one. Okay. Hey, where's the hole? Oh, there's a hole. Okay. Open sesame. Open Sesame Street. That was the other video. Okay, that's open. Look, McQueen is on there.
McQueen.
But he did.
Cup.
But he doesn't have 95.
Yeah.
No, not like there, over there.
Oh, okay. I forgot to put it.
Hey, you put it here. Wait. I think you put it all the way over here.
Do you? Oh, you're right. You're so smart.
Okay. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay. Now let's do this.
What's that?
Okay.
Oh,
How
it's the
does
door?
this go?
Here's the instructions.
Instructions. Okay. Instructions.
It opens and closes?
Yeah. It opens and closes.
Okay. What?
Wait, what?
You broke it.
What? I was going to do this. He can fit. He can fit in there. I was going. How it doesn't? That's weird. That's so weird. He can do.
What can
He
you
can
do?
go in there. Like he can fit.
Oh, I see that. Okay.
He can go up there. Calm down.
Okay, let's build the rest of the stuff.
Okay. These are so cool.
Yeah.
The carrot thaws. Okay, now let's do.
Let's do Mac. He's done, right?
Look at him.
Okay, look at that.
He's giant. Okay, what's the next control? Okay.
Oh, and he moves. Look at, he moves in the back.
Oh. Okay. So next. Hey, where's it? Oh. This is the perfect. This is where it goes. We need a squirrel balloon. I need a squirrel balloon.
A square?
Oh, aha! I found it. Okay. This is where the gas station.
Okay.
Okay, where does it go? Okay. It goes like this. And then... Oh! So it goes like this. And then it goes like this. Wait. Wait.
Okay, because this one is just so you could give them gas, see? And then,
okay.
then when you're done, you can just give it. Where was this? Right here?
Yeah.
And then this one, when you're not giving somebody gas, then you can
Right.
put it away. You can put it away like that.
Oh, we can do this.
Mm-hmm.
How about let's do this?
There you go.
Oh,
That's stubborn.
Oh, that got stubborn. Yay! We did it. The
Maybe
gas
someone can
station.
scoot it over a little bit.
The gas station. The gas station.
What else we got?
Okay. So, we
comes with the
need
little
this,
thing.
the gas. We need the gas.
Where does that go?
It goes right here.
Right next to it?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah. Next. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. It belongs right here. Okay.
And what's this gonna make?
We're gonna make Ramon.
I think just
The Ramon's house. Okay.
Flo's house?
Yeah,
That's
Flo.
Flo's. It's Flo's Cafe.
Oh, it's
Eh?
Flo's Cafe.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I need this one. He goes nice and slow.
Oh.
Ramon.
Oh.
And at course tube. Next, we need this.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. That's all we need.
Flo's Cafe. Look at that. Aiden did it all by himself.
Yep. Okay, and Mac. Look. Okay, Mac. Look, Mac. Mac.
And the gas station.
Yep, and the gas station. Hey, what is this gas station? What is the gas station? Oh, so the gas station goes right here, and this goes here. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait, we needed to do it that way. The other way. Oh. Hey. Never mind. Let's go catch her. Hey, you're in the west. Hey, we just need to catch our friend. Hey, hurry up. Hey, Mino, what are you doing here? How did you get here? What are you doing back home? Oh, actually, I need gas. Okay. Well, I'm done. Hey, I need gas too. Okay. Okay. Whoa, wow. Whoa. I'm out of control. Ah! Whoa. Hey, he looks pretty cool. Look, he looks cool on the back.
Why?
Because he just has red lights. Wait, he doesn't have Wesley's butt ointment.
Oh.
He doesn't have it. Those are so easy. You just have to build. Oh, you just have to build, and you don't need to put on stickers. You just need to build, and that's it.
Ready to
That's
go,
all.
huh? Okay.
I hope you liked the toy. So you can come again. Bye.